You may be wondering, what is Evan cooking now? I will be making a Greek staple recipe called Prasorizo, which translates to leek and rice. In a large pot, add 4 quarts water, 2 medium onions, 4 carrots, 4 celery stalks, and 2 bay leaves. Add some salt and pepper to taste, bring it to a boil, and then reduce it to simmer and cook for 1 hour. This simple step will give you the best tasting stock that money can't buy. I used 1 cup of jasmine rice, 1 large onion diced, 2 medium leeks, first cut lengthwise, then sliced, and then washed very well to get rid of the dirt. Here is an optional step I took, but I think it's really important. You need to fill a glass with a beer of your choice. I used in this time Corona, and drink it as soon as possible. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot. Bring the temperature to medium high. Add the onions, the leeks, and sweat the 2 vegetables for about 5 minutes. Then add salt and pepper to taste. At this point, since we're using only 1 cup of rice, we're going to add 2 cups of the beautiful vegetable broth we created a few minutes ago. Once the broth comes to a boil, add your rice and stir every once in a while. Make sure the rice doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. Bring the mixture again to boil and reduce to simmer. And you're going to cook this mixture for about 10-12 minutes or until the rice absorbs the liquid. And this is the final product. Feel free to squeeze some fresh lemon on it. By the way, this was my dad's most favorite dish. It's very simple and most definitely a Greek staple.